Hello, I'm Roland Rathelot. I was initially trained as an economist and an econometrician at École Polytechnique and ENSAE. I started to work at the French Statistical Office, then at the French Ministry of Labour, and finally turning to academia. I spent 7 years at the University of Warwick. Finally, I chose to come back to France, and especially to Institut Polytechnique de Paris, and to take part to Paris, because I think it's one of the few institutions that actually bring together many researchers from various fields at such a high degree of excellence. In terms of research, I'm mostly interested by labor markets, and especially how we can use AI and data in order to improve how labor market works. And as an example, for instance, I work with the Swedish Employment Service, and together we have designed a recommender system based on actual users' behavior, and we evaluate the impact of the recommender system on the outcomes of job seekers on this platform in order to see how they search, but also what kind of jobs they find, and we do that using a randomized control trial. Also, we try to keep track of all the advances in machine learning in order to fine-tune our algorithm behind the recommender system in order to even more improve the outcomes for both the point of view of employers and the point of view of job seekers. I'm also interested about the future of work, and especially how the COVID crisis has changed the organization of work within firms. In my view, for instance, workers are very different, employers are also very different, and very often it's difficult to acquire information about the other side of the market. The big question, according to me, is how do workers and employers that are right for each other find each other? And I think new solutions that we have in data science with machine learning techniques and also with new kinds of data, whether they come from text or from user behavior on platforms, I think we can combine them to provide new solutions that are going to be helpful. And I think this is true for labor markets, but also for other kinds of applications like health. And I think together we can try to combine these technologies in order to bring a real contribution to society as a whole.